Yeah, Namit. Ready? Set the tool. Grip the pencil. Yes. Ready? Single digit addition and subtraction. Okay? Plus 4, minus 3, plus 7, minus 7, plus 2, plus 1. Answer is
4.
yes. Next. Plus 9, minus 7, minus 2, plus 8. Answer is
8.
yes. Next. Plus 7, minus 6, plus 8, minus 5.
Answer is
Yes. Next. Plus 9, minus 3, minus 5, plus 6.
answer is 7.
Yes. Plus 7, plus 1, minus 3, plus 2. Answer is
7.
yes. Next. Plus 6, plus 2, plus 1, minus 6.
Answer is 3.
Double digit addition and subtraction. Okay? Plus 10, plus 70, minus 20, plus 10. Answer is
70.
yes. Next. Plus 20, plus 20, minus 30, plus 60.
Answer is 7.
Plus 40, minus 20, minus 20, plus 70.
Answer is 7.
Plus 46, minus 25, plus 11, plus 16. Answer is
Answer is 48.
yes. Next. Plus 41, minus 21, plus 18, plus 10.
Answer is 48.
Yes. Next. Plus 24, minus 23, plus 47, minus 36.
Answer is 12.
Yes. Next. Plus 33, minus 22, plus 33, minus 44.
Answer is 0.
Triple digit addition and subtraction. Okay?
Okay.
Plus 300, plus 600, minus 400, plus 200.
Answer is 700.
Yes. Plus 800, plus 100, minus 200, minus 200. Answer is
500.
yes. Next. Plus 200, plus 200, minus 100, plus 600.
Answer is 900.
Yes. Next. Plus 200, plus 100, plus 100, plus 500. Answer is
900.
yes. Next.